Welcome to a new episode. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is an advantage when it comes to strengthening our immune system. While most people adopt healthy behaviors when they are sick, we recommend that you try to make those recommendations a lifestyle. To be able to sustain it is imperative to maintain a healthy lifestyle for our physical and mental health. In the next chapters, we will dive into the subject of what you can do to improve your immune system. We will look at what foods you can eat and the changes you can make in your day to help with mental health. You will receive a 21-day plan you can implement to help you be more successful with that healthy lifestyle. But first, let's do a little survey to assess your lifestyle and how well you do on the immune system checklist. Check all that applies to you. 1. Ear infection yearly. 2. Use antibiotics at least once a year. 3. Reoccurring skin issues like rash or inflammation. 4. Autoimmune disease. Thanks for watching episode. See you soon.